your feet hip width apart, reach down towards your mat and take hold of opposite elbows. Let the body hang heavy. Allow the head and the neck to soften, releasing any unnecessary tension through the jaw, the face, and the back of the neck. Keep everything from the waist down still, your feet grounded, your legs steady beneath you, and begin to gently rotate from side to side. Taking your elbows towards the sides of your mat, moving slowly and controlled. Not rocking a baby, but twisting through the torso. Allow the movement to come from the center of the body, feeling into the waist, the flanks, the sides of the ribs. The arms passive, the shoulders soft, the head and the neck hanging heavy. Take a few breaths here. Release the arms and slowly roll your way up to standing.